Here are the replacement batteries for my Sony camera. I've got a Sony a6000 and a Sony a6500. So let's check out the charger. And the reason I wanted this one is because you can charge either via USB micro or USB-C. A lot of these chargers only do micro, which I just want USB-C. So let's go ahead and plug this in. And then another reason that I wanted these batteries are because they are orange. Yay, and this makes it easy to recognize which batteries they are, because I have a lot of Sony batteries and now I know that these are the latest and these are the 1500 milliamp hour batteries. So plug that in to charge. Let's go ahead and charge the other as well. And then of course you can charge any other Sony batteries that you have with this. So any of your Sony batteries will charge. We'll go ahead and put this in. Ooh, that side's really nice. Some of the batteries I have are a little bulgy. This is not. Battery at 57% out of the box. So we will continue to charge that. So if you are like me and you have a lot of Sony batteries, this is a great set just because it's a different color, easy to recognize, and you can charge it via USB-C. Really nice.